Welcome to Section 4. Let's explore IB Flow's highly efficient Layout tab. First, let's look at the IB Flow size memory slots 1 through 4. Select 3 objects of different sizes and save them into separate slots. Then select the target objects and apply the saved sizes accordingly. You can lock or unlock the aspect ratio and overwrite slots freely during your workspace sessions. Now, let's explore the horizontal and vertical auto layout features. Horizontal layout sets auto spacing, while vertical layout stacks objects automatically. Let's check other resize buttons, like syncing the width to the largest object. Sync height to the largest element to keep your design consistent. Select other objects and try syncing to the smallest value. Click to sync to the smallest width. Then try syncing to the smallest height. Use the Match Area feature to enlarge or scale down while maintaining the area. Compare the difference between Match Area and Scale Up. Try the Scale feature to ensure the original aspect ratio is kept. With the Swap button, you can quickly switch width and height for orientation. Finally, select common sizes directly from the standard and social presets. IB Flow makes spatial math exceptionally fast. Welcome to frictionless, one-handed design.